Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. And as always, I appreciate the fact that many have subscribed and shared, and thank you. Just want to start off with that. Now, we have high pressure off the coast here, and that's supporting very light winds this morning, but a developing southwesterly wind around 5 miles per hour. We are definitely seeing an increase in moisture and warm temperatures in our region compared to the past 2 mornings, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the far northern interior to the mid 60s to lower 70s everywhere else. You can also see a marked increase in the dew points, where yesterday we were in the 40s, today we're in the 60s, and in some locations pushing towards the 70s, like around Reading. So definitely a lot more moisture in the atmosphere, and it's going to be a much warmer day, and that's why we have a heat advisory out for the Philadelphia metro right here, okay, where we're going to have the heat index push into the lower to mid 90s this afternoon as temperatures rise somewhere between the upper 80s to lower 90s around the Delaware River Valley. Taking a look at our surface map, you can see our high pressure system off the coast. This stationary front will continue to lift northward as a warm front. This is what's left of Cristobal, and this is another area of low pressure capturing Cristobal and making one powerful storm. Now you can see that very clearly here on the satellite picture. Here's what's left of Cristobal with its moisture, and here is our upper level low that's going to capture all this and make it one powerful storm over the Great Lakes and heading into the St. Lawrence River Valley. While that's happening, this cold front down here is going to be heading its way towards our area, supporting the potential for some very heavy rainfall and some embedded thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. So definitely a very stormy day on the way forward tomorrow. But for today, pretty much just tranquil weather conditions are expected. Overall, look for an increase in cloud cover, but remaining dry, with temperatures rising very nicely over much of the Delaware River Valley. You can see, when you take a look at the satellite picture, you see waves and waves of clouds coming in. This is all because of warm air transport. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for an increase in cloud cover. Temperatures rising into the upper 70s, or should I say mid 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast. So if you're on Long Island, the shore of Connecticut, parts of the Jersey Shore, you're going to remain cooler because we have a southerly wind that's going to be developing, and that's going to be coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. So those locations remain cool. However, just away from the coast, central New Jersey, the Delaware River Valley, eastern Pennsylvania, those locations, even parts of the Hudson River Valley in northern Connecticut, they will rise between the mid 80s and lower 90s, and your best potential for a combination of humidity and those temperatures pushing over 90 degrees will be found in the Philadelphia metro, where your heat index will push somewhere around 95 degrees. So definitely be prepared for that. For tonight, look for an increase in the threat for showers, isolated at first, becoming widely scattered by tomorrow morning. Look for lows in the mid 60s to lower 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, our cold front slowly moves through with waves of showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms will be strong, and the overall theme will be very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and strong wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. There's an outside chance you could get a thunderstorm with wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, which would make it severe. But for the most part, we're talking about a heavy rain event for tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. On Friday, the cold front pushes off the coast but stalls out with waves of low pressure. Now, there's going to be plenty of dry air coming in behind this cold front, so generally look for scattered cloud cover. I can't rule out an isolated shower, especially right along the immediate coast. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s. On Saturday, our cold front stalls off the coast once again. A second one comes through with a threat for an isolated shower, but for the most part, most of the day will be dry. Look for temperatures on Saturday to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. Then we set up a pattern where basically it's rinse and repeat. For Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to have that stationary front supporting waves of low pressure off to our south and a high pressure system off to our north in the Canadian Maritimes. The combination of the two will support an onshore wind, easterly wind, and that means a marine air mass is going to be in place with scattered or broken cloud cover and isolated to widely scattered showers each day. And with that onshore wind, temperatures will range throughout this time period from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. We may even see a few mid-60s if we get a little bit more fog mixed in there in the morning hours. So definitely a cool period of weather setting up starting on Sunday and continuing on through next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.